Hi, I'm Dave Gottstein with Cruisers Yachts, and this is our new 338 SS. It's a Cruisers yacht. It has two Cruiser Verado, 350 horsepower outboards. That's the sea deck mat covering the whole floor. That's the new gray vinyl. And this seat here electrically folds into a chase lounge bed. You have your remote stereo control there, your transom shower, and your shore power there. And I've got the blue LED lights on. Right here we walk through the walkway, and here's our outside refrigerator, a little wet bar with a sink. Over here we have a teak table that has a bag and it stores away really nice. There's storage under this side seat here. This chair here, it'll fold up into a bolster seat, or it'll spin around 360 degrees. The captain's chair, do the same thing. It'll fold down. And here's our dashboard. These are the digital throttle and shift, and the joystick and the skyhook. Here's our steering wheel, our gauges, our SmartCraft gauges, the stereo remote control. Then as we walk down into the cabin, we have a window here with light and a microwave. And here's our cabin refrigerator. And this is your shore power panel. It's AC and DC. And here's your inverter and your air conditioning control. And over here to the side, we have our Dometic electric flush head and our sink with storage. And there's also storage behind those mirrors. These are the stairs out. Nice solid wood. Sea deck mat on the floor. And as we walk out to the bow area, put up the sunshade. This is easy to store and remove. Real nice option, and you can boat with that up. And then here's your big bow area. So as you climb into the bow, you've got this nice big open space. Some blue LED lights, ice chest under there, and a subwoofer. And also another stereo remote right here. And up here we have the windlass. That's your stainless steel anchor, your chain and rope. Down here we have a ice. Next to the ice chest we have a trash can. Then in the floor here in the bow we have storage. You can put the tables out there. There's also a table that'll fit right in there if we're sitting out here in the bow. So this is the all-new 2021 in stock, ready to go. Verado supercharged motors. This boat will go over 50 miles an hour. It's never been in the water yet. I've got the shade out here on the back, so you have a nice shade that's electric. It'll cover this area here when we launch it. There it is, the all new 338 SS in Newport Beach, ready to go.